In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate an email template in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the second option, which is campaigns. Now, below campaigns, you want to click on the first option and the only option, which is email templates. And once you are on the email templates section, you can have a few options at the top. You have here your Mailchimp templates. The second is your saved templates, and the third is your recently sent templates. Now, let's say we want to do a saved template, since this is a part of our email templates. And once you have that, on the right hand side, click on the drop down beside create an email. And at the bottom, you will find the second option to replicate this template. So if you click on replicate template, it will automatically take you to the editor of that template, and at the top, it will automatically be sent as a copy, and this will also be considered as a duplicate. Now, from here, you can start editing how you want this campaign or this duplicate campaign to look like, depending on how you want it to be. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.